Good morning, traders. Today is Tuesday. It is 12th of July, and we are looking at the GJ. Let's see what it did over the night. Now, GJ is definitely looking bearish now. Yesterday, when I did my analysis, I think we were about this point when I did it, and I talked about that I took sales from here. The trade did work out very well. Now, it did react from here, and I thought that's it, it's going to be bullish, but nope, we are still very much bearish. Now, what I do see today is what I would take and put the line right in here. Now, this was quite a big rejection from here, and I think it's because of the order block, just resistance, which is in there. I can put it on, but I'll something like this, I would see. So yeah, something like this. So now we're kind of stuck in here. So what I am looking at today would be, it's tricky, guys. Today is a little bit tricky. I'll delete this so it's not in the way. So for today, I think first of all, what I would like to see is for either for the price to go down all the way to this zone in here, but also for the entry wise, what I would like to see is for the price to come back to this zone in here and react from this one. However, I think it's not going to go that high, simply because I think we are just like creating liquidity, the wise word, the clever word. We are just wandering about in here in this level, which is about 800, and just GJ is struggling to break it. So if it pulls back, we see this, for those who use the imbalance, we see that there is this imbalance in like here. So this one, I'll take the tool for you to better to see. So oh, that's too big. See, guys, you will see my skills with TradingView, not the best. I only use lines and the wee rectangle boxes because I'm so simple. I always like it to keep it simple. So this little imbalance like in here, so I'll take this off so it's not confusing. But so yeah, maybe it could do something like this to pull back to here because of this, because it wandered around in here quite a bit. So we can put a line in here just to see where the price was, something like this. So it can pull back to 163, 250, and then it could drop. But that's like for my entries. I'm looking for the entries. Now, obviously, we should react to the market, not to predict it, because now I can say price is definitely going to go here and then it's going to drop, or price is definitely going to go down and then it's going to drop. Or another thing that we could wait is for the break, to break this little zone in here, order block zone, call it whatever you want to. So to break it in here, then pull back, and then we sell. So if we sell, then something like this, okay? Something maybe either here stop or just above in here, and then we can target all the way down here, but which is looking like 1 to 4 trade. That's a really nice good trade, but I think for me personally, I would like something like this would be better, something like that. That's for me personally, but I need to see how the London opens. I'll take this off so it's not that confusing. I'll take this off. So for now, when I'm looking at it, it's definitely bearish, and so I will either look for the breakdown, pull back and sell, or I will look for the price to go in here, to just because I think it's a good zone in here as well, or it could even go higher up. Now sometimes I also want to share about the risk. So if I see the trade, it's, for example, I'm gonna hit my stop in here. So to be safer, I can use a half risk when I enter this trade, and then if it gets hit out, I can enter another trade, which is this setup if the price comes back in here, and risk another 0.5%. And that way I take 2 setups, but I risk 1%. And it's just easier for me to enter because I know that I split my risk and I don't need to just put all the risk on one setup, that I can have 2 shots in the market, that I have 2 shots to kill the money. That's what at least I like to say. Anyhow, I think this is really it. I don't really want to go in. I never even showed you the higher time frames, but I think you pretty much agree that we are turning bearish in here. So for the higher time frames to be definitely in bearish, we would like to see this low taken out. So the break of this low. So that's why this is the zone that I showed you on the 15 minutes here. So, oh no, sorry, I apologize. This one, lower. So this is this one. And then once we hit this zone in here and we break it, that's going to be confirmed on higher time frames that we are also bearish. So we'll see what the GJ will bring us today. But yeah, I'm definitely looking for sales. It just depends where we will see them, either from here when it breaks or pulls back to here. Obviously London is coming soon in half an hour because it's 7:30 right now where I stay in the UK, and we'll see what the London will bring. Just please be careful when you trade, use proper risk management, be sensible, don't be crazy traders. And if it melts, it melts. If it goes up, it goes up. That's why, like I said, you can just split your trades. Take one trade in here and then take another one in there. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.